Imagine if you could have a sports betting system that can be truly profitable over the course of 11 years, no matter if the team is winning or losing. Sounds great? You bet it does. No matter if you live and breathe sports or have no clue about sports, you can start winning with us. It's easy. This is how Z-Code system works. We've gathered full comprehensive data for different sports such as Major League Baseball, college football, NHL, and NBA since 1999 to develop a highly precise model that predicts winners with an extremely high accuracy. The result? Let the numbers speak for themselves. Over the course of the last Major League Baseball season, we generated over a $12,000 profit for our members with an average bet of just $100. And the best part is, we never had any single losing month. All our picks are documented and proven. Each winning and losing pick is available for members to check and verify in the Members Zone. Why do we win? It's simple. We win because we combine the power of our human cappers who are experts in sports with the power of technology, statistical data since 1999. But wait, don't take my word for it. Let's hear what other people are saying about our service.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's Mark, and I've been bugging you by email the last couple weeks, telling you about my picks and all that stuff, but I thought I'd send you a video. I love the program. You guys are awesome. I started with just a little bit of cash. I doubled down the first week and doubled my money back. And
it's Rick, and I just wanted to share my success story with VIP Sports Picks and Z-Code System. You know, I've been following it for a while with great success, and it's had its ups and downs, but at the end of the month, my bankroll ended in a nice plus. So far, I've never experienced any single losing month, which is really great comparing to other handicapping services that I use.
Okay guys, just wanted to share my experience on MLB, which you use with the Z-Code system. Since I began with it, you guys have been running at approximately 64%, which is pretty good. And with the money management in place, it's definitely all good.
And frankly, that's how the Z-Code system works. The sports pick service that they have, which I actually use right on my iPad right here.
Sports, I'm no expert, but thankfully your picks have been consistently way above average, and I felt I owed you a huge thanks for all the time you put in.
Because none of them have had a proven system that can be back tested all the way back to 1999. I mean, you guys are different, and I think your record just goes to prove that.
For the past 2 years, and you guys hands down are the best in customer service.
It's called Codesystem.com. And what do I think of it? I think C-Code rocks and wins all the way. It works. I already made about 3 times more than my subscription fee this month.
Hi, this is Peter from Toronto, and I started using your Z-Code system and sports picks 3 weeks ago, and I did win a small profit. So I hope this winning trend continues to become a long-term winner for me, and I'm glad I joined the service. So thanks guys, and let's make some profits together. Cheers.
Hi, this is Vito from beautiful Las Vegas, and my success story starts like this. Back in July, I put in $1,500 US, which gave me a bonus of $250 US as my initial deposit. And in 6 weeks, I have earned an additional $900. Not bad for just 6 weeks work. Now, I followed your predictions and your site, and I'm just totally, absolutely pleased. It was easy to follow. I love your free predictions, and it's just been a fantastic thing for me. I just love what you guys do. You guys know what you're doing. You're the best, and I just gotta say a million thanks because you guys know what you're doing.
That is what the Z-Code Sports Picks service is all about. They choose the right game on the right time and in the right place. That is the key to winning it all. It worked for me, and I hope it will help you get the right winning picks and make some cash.
I started with $30 as that was all I had, and I put $4 on just a few picks to start off with. Then I gradually increased it. My amount now is $180. That's 6 times more than when I started it 2 months ago, and
guys are gonna send you picks that you will place in the bookie and hopefully you win. I have been winning during the last 3 weeks, and I have been up to 37% on my original invested bankroll, and I'm very excited watching my numbers grow day by day.
I've been following the Z-Code system for a little over a month. I've also done some of Trey's picks from your VIP club. I made about 25% of my money in that time.
Do I know anything about sports? No, not at all, and I never cared less. But sports investing is not about sports. It's about following the winning system. Does the Z-code system work for me? Yes.
I've been using Z-code sports handicapping service and VIP picks for a while with great success. And what I really like about it is that it is extremely easy to follow because guys provide detailed guidelines and comments to each picks. For example, on the amount of points I need to place, which teams to bet, what is the prediction percentage to win, etc. And it's really helpful as it gives me confidence within the system.
You guys, and tell you that I really enjoyed your service and your betting myth articles as well. I find them very helpful as they gave me real important insight on betting niches and general sports investing.
Hey guys, this is Lamont Smith from Des Moines, Iowa. And you know, I was scammed and on those several get-rich-quick schemes, and I was just looking for a reputable service. I'm glad that I came across your site, and I'm looking forward to working with you again.
That the Z-code system works. The picks are winning and it's highly profitable. Now a lot of people from outside may be looking at it thinking that it's not true, but I'm here to say that from the profits that I've made with this system, I've already bought a brand new PlayStation 3.
I have no idea about sports. I believe it's a man's job to watch sports and stuff like that, you know. But I have always wanted to make some extra money. So I decided to give it a try without even thinking twice, you know. I follow your picks, I place my bet, and I won with you. So thank you so much. This is like a really great job, and it was actually pretty easy.
John and I are really impressed by the accuracy and the high winning rate of your Z-code picks and system plays.
That's exactly what Z-code system is all about. You see, these guys developed a system that is back-tested back to 1999. Over 11 years of researched and analyzed sports data. Their success formula takes into consideration all the stats about every player on every team, and their profitability keeps on rolling.
Sound great? You bet it does. So how can you win with us? Join our VIP club today and receive instant access to the winning Z-code picks and systems. You will get the exact plan and step-by-step instructions to help you succeed no matter if you're a professional sports investor or never heard anything about sports at all. We'll see you on the other side.